Hola and welcome back. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty. And if it is your first time here, welcome. And if you are already a part of the Enhanced Beauty Squad, welcome back. I have brought to you a very simple holiday look. This is the season for the holiday parties, with your family, gathering, just all of that good old festive holiday cheer. It's been a while since I brought a makeup tutorial to you all. I wanted to put together for the everyday beauty a very simple holiday beat that anyone can follow. I'm using 2 eyeshadows, 1 pigment, 3 things on the eyes. That's it. Anyone can do it. Since it's been a while, I wanted to use some different products and I wanted to try Juvia's Place. So I have tried 2 foundation sticks, 1 for the foundation, 1 for the contour, the concealer, the setting powder, and I'm using, it's not new to everyone, but it's new to me, the Morphe setting spray. First time using it. I used the Jaclyn Hill palette, and then I used Pigments by Lash. That's at Lashed by Dollface. I used the Gold Digger pigment on the lid. I wanted to do a red lip because it is the holiday season, red and green. I used none other than my all-time favorite lip, Stunner, the original Stunner by Fenty Beauty. We have to make sure you are subscribed to the channel, so make sure you stop right now. Click that subscribe button. Click your notification bell so you don't miss out on anything that I'm bringing to you. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. And please make sure you share it with all of your family and friends because this is the season to be jolly. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. As you all know, I always begin every makeup application with the brows first. And here I am using the dark brown pencil by Nicka, New York. And you can get it at your local beauty supply store. And you always have to have your spoolie to soften up the front of your brows. And now this is the Juvia's Place concealer. My first time ever using it. And this is the number 12 concealer. I'm using it to clean up the underneath my brows. And I'm just using a flat eyeliner brush by e.l.f. as well as the fluffy brush by e.l.f. And now I'm cleaning up the top of the brow using Juvia's Place foundation stick in Cameroon. And I hope I'm pronouncing all these names correctly. And I always like to clean the top of the brow with the foundation. And now the Louise eyeshadow base. And I think this is Rumour base in number 3. Placing that on the lid. And now for the 2 colors from the Jackie Thomas Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm beginning with the transition color. I'm using it as my transition as well as my crease color. And this is Ginger. And now for the lid, I'm going over it with Doulas. And of course, we have to make sure everything is blended really well together. So this is also Doulas. And then I just go back over it with that same brush and blend the crease. Now I'm applying the Lashed pigment in Gold Digger onto the lid. And that's it. And your eyes are done. And now you're ready to clean up. Any type of makeup wipe you want to use. And now I'm prepping my lashes with my all-time favorite Gray Lash Mascara, getting ready for the falsies. I've already applied one. And this technique I'm using, I learned it in Visha's class, aka Vanity Throne, to apply your lash. And it actually worked. I liked it. But you have to use a brush on adhesive glue. And now I'm priming my skin using the Maybelline Baby Skins primer. And this is Cameroon foundation stick by Juvia's Place that I'm placing all over. First time using it, and I actually like it. I do think I could have gone just a tad bit darker, whatever the next one is. I think I can use it. I think I prefer to use a darker foundation. And now this is the same number 12 concealer. I'm only dotting because this is my first time using it. I didn't know the consistency of it, and I just did not want to have a mess on my hands. But now I know that I could use just a tad bit more. And of course, remember, you highlight everywhere you want the light to hit. And now I'm just using my foundation brush with no added product on it to just blend that highlight seamlessly into that foundation. And now this is Katsina. Again, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. I'm using it as my contour. It's really a foundation stick. It's just a darker foundation. And I'm blending it out with my Real Technique. I think this is the face brush. I cannot remember, but just make sure you check the description box. I'll try and list all products as well as brushes. Blending out the contour. This contour, remember, it helps to slim down the face. And now, of course, down the bridge of the nose. That contour helps to slim down that nose. And now I'm setting with the Juvia's Place setting powder in Kalahari. Everywhere I place that highlighter, I'm setting. I don't know if you noticed, but before I started using the powder, the setting powder, everywhere my face was completely shiny. And now I'm setting the contour using Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their powder bronze in Mahogany. This has become my favorite. I love the CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronzer, but now I love this Mahogany bronzer, and I'm using it down the bridge of the nose as well. And now I am using Kalahari. This is just carving out those cheekbones. I'm just defining that contour a little bit more. And I don't bake, so I take it immediately off. And now this is a MAC blush. I think this blush is also called Mahogany. And now for the Urban Decay. This is the Shimmering Illuminating Powder in Lit. And you can use this on your face and your body. But I'm using it to highlight the face, the cheekbones, the Cupid's bow, and now the bridge of the nose. Now I'm working Milk. This is NYX's Jumbo Pencil. And I'm using it to bring out my waterline. And then I'm going over it with, I can't remember, but this color is also in the Jackiana palette. And then I'm just taking ginger and kind of blending it out. But I used the dark brown color. It'll be listed in the description box. And now, of course, Stunner. Oh, and which you saw before the Stunner, that was the NYX Matte Black liquid eyeliner. I always use it to just kind of bring my mole back out because it gets lost through all of the product. But this is my all-time favorite red lip, followed by Season 10, and now the Morph setting spray. And now you are ready to apply your mascara on your lower lashes. Always do this after you spray your setting spray so you don't have a mess on your hands. And you are ready.
Now that we are beat and we are ready to go, let me first give a shout out to Miss Brittany Holman for slaying this unit. I colored her black. She was naturally brown when I got her. But thank you, Miss Brittany, for yet another flawless unit. Hit her up on Instagram. Thank you all for tuning in. And of course, subscribe, click your bell, give it a thumbs up, share it. I would like to wish each of you beauties a very Merry Christmas. I will see you all, same place, same channel,